Hey there, this is David from Footy Cards. I've got a box here. We've just got a new case of 2016-17 NBA Panini Revolution. Of course, with Ben Simmons Rookie cards in it. 5 cards per pack, 8 packs per box. We've got these on the website now. We're really looking, obviously, like Ben Simmons. He's an Aussie and he's tearing up the NBA. His cards are hot, hot, hot. So we've got some of these in. This is probably one of the more exciting cards without being, too massive in regards to opening 20 or 30 packs. We're looking for obviously Ben, but cosmic cards, rookie cards. There's Starburst, Stargazing, Rookie Revolutions. They're limited signatures. They're all on card, and that includes rookie autographs. So this is one product I have been looking forward to owning. Here we go. So now the thing is, I've been warned, look at the back of every card because you just never know what you might have. It could be one of those rare galactics. So Kemba Walker starts off. And there's a rookie card of DeAndre Murray in the Spurs. We've got a rookie revolution to start it out, with Malachi Richardson and Greg Monroe. Obviously, I'm going to go through these afterwards. I'll tell you that much. And Anthony Davis. So we'll start there. The NBA this season has been absolutely enthralling. I love it. Okay. So Raymond, Ron Baker, super duper rookie card. That one. Oh, here's some. That's numbered. It's a Blake Griffin, number 9 of 100. We've got Stanley Johnson and Melo, who was traded in the off-season to Oklahoma. It's not a bad pack to start out with. Second one in. Here we are, DeAndre Jordan. Oscar Siakam rookie, an Astro. At the back, just at the top there, it says Astro. Oh, here's something. Deontay Davis Infinite. Giannis. This guy is tearing up the league. And Nikola Mirotic. He has been an absolute revelation. Gets to play with Australia's own Matthew Dellavedova. Alright, another pack. Here we go. Jonas. Space. Demetrius Jackson rookie. Rookie revolution of Bryce Johnson. Tristan Thompson. And the main man, LeBron James. Heading to the halfway point now of this box. Mark Gasol. Porzingis. I thought he'd be nearly averaging 30 points a game. An infinite of Julius Randle. Jake Layman, rookie card. And Rudy Gobert of the Jazz. So we've just relaunched some of a range of products now, of NBA products on our website, which you can have a look at. Darren Colson, CJ McCollum. Here's something. Stargazing of Klay Thompson. Very nice cards these. Not too thick, not too but colourful enough. An Astro of Anthony Davis and Devin Booker, another guy who unfortunately had an injury just last week, but he's been tearing it up as well at the start of the year. Okay. Kawhi Leonard is just about to make a return back to the Spurs from injury. Tyler Ellis Rookie. Astro. So I'll check a bit more about that. Fractal. Steph Curry. Rondo. And Aaron Gordon. Last pack of the box now. You only get, I think, 2 or 4 autos per case, so pretty limited. Alrighty. Last pack. LeBron. Oh, this pack looks familiar. Tristan Thompson. An infinite of Al Horford at the Celtics playing basketball. Jamal Murray rookie card. And the last one is Jeremy Lin, who's at Brooklyn. So that's the box of NBA Revolution from last season, 16-17. And if you'd like to purchase a box, you know where to go. Just head to footycards.com.au, head to the US sports section, and we've got a good range of basketball that you can have a look at. And yeah, if you want to buy anything, go for it. Thanks very much.